Hey, my name is Jonas, and in this video I am going to do a review of a product called Passive Income Machine, which promises that you can make $500 to $2,000 per month in passive income on autopilot. Now, normally I'd be skeptical to a headline like this. However, I actually have one of these passive income machines myself up and running, and before I even start this review, but just to show you that I actually do have access to this product as well, this is the members area. I will talk about this in just a little bit, but for now, let me just show you that this is indeed possible because I actually have, as I said, this up and running myself. So we started this on the 19th of February, and this is recurring, and ever since then, so that's roughly 4 months ago, like 4 months and 1 week, since then I made $3,953.26. This same product, we kind of renamed it and changed the price up a little bit. I made $756 on that one since the 26th of March. So all in all, roughly $4,750 or so, or $700, which is just around, I think, $1,000 per month, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. I am absolutely terrible at maths, but that means that what they're saying here is indeed true, and it's absolutely possible to make somewhere around this money. So myself, as I said, roughly $1,000 per month. Is it complete autopilot? No, it's going to take you a couple hours per month once everything is set up. So I'd say I'm spending roughly 3 to 4 hours per month on this specific passive income machine. And is it possible for you to do the same thing? Yes, it is. As we can see here, fast and easy to get started. Yeah, it actually is. Never before revealed. I can't remember seeing a product like this actually. Other people have done this for a long time. Obviously, it's not a brand new method per se, but it hasn't really been taught before. 100% newbie friendly, I would say. So yes, no website. Yes, Trevor is actually going to reveal how you can get this up and running without even having a website. Paul, who is the other person who's launching this course, will teach you a method that will require a website. But if you go with Trevor's way, no, you don't actually have one, or need one, sorry. You should probably get one anyway if you want to run an online business, but you don't have to. No list required, absolutely true. Generate passive income on autopilot, almost autopilot. Get started today. Yeah, if you get up and running, absolutely. So let's take a look at the members area and see what this is all about. So, as we can see here, passive income machine, may the funds be with you, and a little Star Wars dude at the top. I think that's Darth Vader or something. Pretty funny. Cool, so 2 for 1. Please don't do it 2 products in one with passive income machine. Training from Paul and training from Trevor. Now, funny story, Trevor is actually the person that I have this membership with. So I know that Trevor knows that this works, and I know it works. Paul has the same thing. It works. Excuse me. So, depending on how you want to approach this, you can get a recurring membership and up and running in no time. Now, I know what you're thinking right now. I know you're freaking out. Like, oh my God, Jonas, I have no knowledge. There's no way I could set up a membership site. Why would anyone want to pay me when I have no knowledge? That's going to be explained in this course, and it's quite easy to get valuable content that you can share on your website. That's going to be taught inside of this course. So I'm not going to go through this video by video, but there's a total of 16 chapters, which means 16 videos. Paul is going to do 9 of them. Trevor is going to do 7 of them. I'll just give you an example of what Paul's video will look like. So it will look something like this, and then it's going to use Paint basically to, I'll show you a better video. This was a bad example. So he's going to basically write things up like this while he's talking. So to be completely honest, if you want to get up and running with this and you want to take this seriously, you want to get to an income of like $500 to $1,000 per month, pretty much completely passive, you're probably going to want to watch the videos twice. First time, just watch it and just watch Paul explain everything and Trevor, and then on the second time, watch it and implement at the same time. And then once you've implemented everything, you're off to a very good start, and I'd say it's going to be fairly hard not to actually make any money with your new website. If you take action, of course. You need to take action. It's not going to make you any money if you just purchase this course and do nothing with it, of course. You need to actually do some work. But that's what it's going to look like. Let's just show you another example. This is important as well, so how to basically protect your members area so that it doesn't get put on piracy sites and things like that. And then we can see some different pricing options and stuff here. So that's another thing with our website, that we have our passive income machine. We initially charged just $10 per month for it, and we got a ton of people to subscribe. We had a small little webinar, which is something that you may or may not be able to do if you're a beginner. You're probably not going to have enough people to be able to run a webinar. That's completely fine. You'll still be able to make money with this method. But what we did is we basically invited roughly 50 people to a webinar. And out of those 50 people, if I remember correctly, somewhere between 36 and 38 people signed up to our $10 per month membership right away. And that's pretty cool. So I mean, 38 people times 10, that's $380 per month, which we're then splitting. It's myself, Trevor, and John Armstrong. So it's not a whole ton of money for just those people. But since then, we've gotten a lot more as well. And it's been pretty fun. And passive money is awesome, as I'm going to say inside this course as well. Like, you set it up once, you then spend a few hours a month, and it's basically passive after that. So pretty cool stuff. So that's what's going to be explained in the course, how to get traffic to your offer as well. So basically how to get people to sign up to your membership, and then also how to get content, as I said, and everything will be explained in this course. So for example, one of the traffic methods, I can just explain that here as well. One of the traffic methods is going to be Facebook. You're basically going to learn of a way where you can I don't want to reveal the whole method, but basically going to Facebook, so again, it's a free traffic source, and how to then find people that are interested in what you're going to be building, so your membership site, and how to then basically get them to see your offer. That's all I can say, really. But this also works in any niche, so it's not just to make money online niche. If you want to do this, if you want to set up a membership site for a like a weight loss community or something like that, or you want to do it for dogs, like dog training, if that's something you're very passionate about, you can do that too. The exact same thing will work, because this traffic method has nothing to do with make money. It's on Facebook, so you can do whatever you want, really. So any niche is fine. Anyway, after that, so from chapter 10, we'll get to see Trevor here. Easy, fast, no website, no list method. Trevor's going to go through everything here. And Paul's is mostly about using an actual website, setting things up for real. You got like your membership plugin and things like that, which is what we do in our membership site that myself and Trevor have. And John. But yeah, if you don't want to do that, if you just want to get up and running as fast as possible, you don't want to spend money on a website, you can get it up and running with just a Facebook group. And Trevor is going to explain all about that inside of this video, which is pretty cool. Now, that is pretty much all I can say about the front end, but just in short, does this work? Yes. Can you make $500 or more from a membership site, even if you don't have a whole lot of knowledge right now? Yes, that's going to be explained here as well. But obviously, as I said, if you have a lot of knowledge and passion in something, in another niche, like as I said, dog training, cooking, something like that, you can start a membership site there. Charge like $5 per month to $10 per month. Get 50 people to sign up, but you're making a pretty decent, I mean, again, 50 members at $10 per month, that's $500. If you charge $15 per month, you don't even need 50 members, and that's not very hard to get if you got something to offer, which you will when you're going through this course. So overall, good stuff. I'm using this method myself. It 100% works if you take action. If you don't take action, it's not going to work. If you take action, it will work. I mean, these guys know what they're doing. Trevor's been around for a long time. Paul has been around for a long time as well. It works for them. It works for me. It works for people that take action on it. It's as simple as that. So let me see what else it was that I wanted to show you. I want to show you my bonuses. I said, or I might have not said it actually, but I wanted to give you some really cool bonuses if you decide to pick up Passive Income Machine through myself. And I don't have a ton of bonuses, but what I do have is experience with this exact thing. So as I said, I'm making somewhere between $800 and $1,200 per month. Don't know exactly how much it is. But I'm going to basically record a video where I show you some behind-the-scenes stuff of my own memberships. It's not going to be super in-depth, but I'll show you some things that I think might be very valuable to you when you're starting this up. I'll show you some things that I think we did correct with this. I'll show you some things we did that we could have improved on, basically. So I can basically help you with kind of getting started and just making sure you're on the right track. So again, it's not going to be super in-depth. It'll probably be around 10 minutes or so, but just some valuable golden nuggets basically. And I'll also give you an additional method of getting customers. This will mainly work if you choose to start up a membership site in the make money online niche, but it's how I rank videos on Google and YouTube. And you can do this for other niches as well. It's just that the way that I do it, I usually go after low competition keywords. And if you can find something like that in other niches, it's probably going to work for you as well. well, but I'm not making any guarantees there. And number 3, I'll show you a simple way of using passive income machine in any niche. So this was actually covered in the main course. I'm just going to talk a little bit more about it and make you understand how you could actually do it. Like, I'll give you some examples, of course, or not courses, of things that you can do when you're on Facebook, if you choose to go the route that Trevor is going to explain, in order to find people in different niches. So if you don't want to be in the make money online niche, I'll show you how you can enter any niche pretty much. And yeah, that's going to be it. So yeah, if you, I want to mention that as well, if you want to go into any other niche, there are going to be some things that won't be as easy than if you were to go into the make money online niche. Can't speak. Specifically finding like short ebooks, if you put it that way, that you can use to give away in your course as value. It's not impossible, but it's going to be a little bit more difficult. But again, if you have knowledge about another niche that you're passionate about, and you feel like you want to make money from that, no issues at all. So yeah, if you think that this sounds cool, go ahead and click the link in the description. If you're watching this on YouTube, in the description, that's going to take you to a little bonus page. And if you're watching this on my website, just scroll down to the bottom, click the link that says buy now, or click here to go to the official site. That will take you to the sales page. That's going to look something like this. And that's it. That's how you make passive money, basically. So in short, membership site, you provide some value. You can charge anywhere from $5 to $97 per month. I would recommend you, if you're just starting out, somewhere between $5 and $10 per month. It's probably a good starting point. I'd say probably $10, because that's so little money that people will be like, okay, I'll give it a go, and they're probably going to stick around for a couple months as well, at least, as long as you provide some kind of value. And yeah, once you feel like you have a lot of customers, people are loving what you do, feel free to raise the price. That's what we did. We raised the price from $10 to $17.97 per month, and then from there we raised it to $47 per month, which is where it's currently at. So yeah, that's completely up to you, but I say $10 will probably be a good start, and that's it. I'm not going to talk anymore. Yeah, so again, go ahead and pick it out through the link below. You'll get these bonuses, you'll get the course, and I will go ahead and record this little bonus video now, and I'll give you some extra help if you want. So that's it. Have a fantastic day. I will talk to you soon. See ya.